Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. It is July of 2020. This computer here is 2011 MacBook Air, so it could legally go only up to High Sierra. But whenever you try to install High Sierra, you get this message: the recovery server could not be contacted. I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. It's a very easy fix. Let's click OK. You basically put in your High Sierra restore, and you do the disk utility to format the disk properly. Then you click on Mac OS, you get that message. So if you get that message, this is what you need to do. Very simple. You go to Utilities, you go to Terminal, and you type in date. The date on this one shows 2013. Looks like this machine has been not been used for a long time. I'll show you the whole thing. It's actually in decent shape, but it hasn't been turned on for whatever reason, and battery died, and the date reset. Now, I honestly don't know why it reset to 2013. Should be reset to 2011. But I'm thinking maybe that was the last update that this computer has received, and that may have something to do with it. All right, to fix it, we put in the word date, space, and then two-digit month. So today is 07. Two-digit date. Today is 23. Four-digit time. Just put 1200. For 12 o'clock, and two-digit year. Let me zoom in. So your line would look something like this. Come on, camera. All right, so date 07/23/12/00/20. Hit enter, and now the date is set to today's date, July 23, 12 o'clock. 2020. Zoom out. Okay. Terminal, quit. And now we click install. We click continue. This is where you would get that message where servers cannot be contacted. And now it works just fine. So you click agree, agree. Select the hard drive, continue. I don't have it connected to the power source. That's what that message was all about. And that's it. The problem's fixed. Couple of minutes. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe, enjoy. If you have any questions, ask them below. Save money.